While other fixation devices follow the same straight path, Medtronic is approaching hernia fixation from new and different angles.
ReliaTackᵀ, the revolutionary articulating reloadable fixation device with standard and deep purchase tacks. Now featuring single-turn articulation knob for easier articulation and optimized shipping wedge for intuitive loading.
The ReliaTackᵀ device is engineered to be better from many angles. 65 degrees of articulation, provides superior access and stronger fixation. An interchangeable 5 and 8 deep purchase tack reloads, as well as 5 and 10 standard purchase tack reloads, lead to a lower cost of care. The result? Performance that pivots to superior access, stronger fixation, and lower cost of care.